welcome to this new video. Today we will talk about how to use Postman and Data Cloud to create a new secure way to connect with API. So I will use like the last video that I've created to create the connected app. So if you didn't watch, maybe watch the first video, and then we will come to create a new folder called secured Data Cloud connection. Okay. Now that I've created secured Data Cloud connection as a folder, I will need to set up the authorization, like the authorization variable that we will be using, and I will be using auth authorization 2.0. So once I've created the authorization 2.0, I will just need to fill out a few information. First, we will mention that we want to request the header. Then we will give a name to the token name. The name will be access token. So it will be access token. Okay. After, we will need to do a grant type. So for the grant type, it will be within grant type authorization code. Okay, it will be implicit. So this will be related to your authentication scope that you put on your connected app. After, we will also mention like the callback URL that we are using. So here we are using the callback URL from Postman. So it will be this callback URL. After that, we will have a generic authentication URL. So this will be the window that Postman will open for us to log in within Salesforce, your Salesforce instance. My client ID will be foundable into my connected app. As you can see here, I have my customer customer key ID. Okay, so I will just push this window here, tag, tag, and tag. Okay, so here I will put my window here and here. Okay, sorry for that. Okay, so this is my customer key. After, I will add my scope. So here it will be API CDP underscore API CDP query API. So make sure that in your Data Cloud, in your connected app, you have this scope of authorization. And after that, we will use client authentication sent as basic authentication header. Okay, so that seems pretty good so far. And now I will be able to click save, and then I will run my authorization. Sorry. I will not click run. I will just click get new access token. So here I should get the window that is already connected, but I will just show you. I will clear the cookie, and then I will do a new get access token. And here, as you can see, we have the Salesforce connection. So here I will just pause this video and fill out with my details. I added my password and my username. Now I can click verify. Okay. Now my authorization is complete. So I will be able to use my token. So I've created my token. Perfect. Now I will be able to do a request. And here it will be related to, we will do a GET request. And this request will contain the following URL. So the ID will be to get information related to our Salesforce instance. So I will go into my JSON file that I've got. So remember, we did the first step in the first video, and here I will just put my instance URL, and I will replace this variable, and I will save it, and I will click send. Okay, so here, as you can see, I have all the limits related to my Salesforce instance. So that seems to be okay. So it means we are now correctly connected to the Salesforce instance. Now, like the second step that we will be doing is creating a post request. So I will go in here and I will do new request. It will be a post request this time. And I will just add the following information into the body. So I will add grant type, subject token, and subject token type. Here I will use the following information. So URN, Salesforce grant type external CDP. So that's my grant type. The org access token. So I'm coming back here, and first step that we did in the last video, I've got my Salesforce token. I put it here, and then subject token type. So this will be the following query. So it will be URN ITF param auth token type access token. Okay, that seems pretty good. The only thing that we need to do is to add like the post request. So I will just check because I don't remember because I did it just before. So it will be that one. So here we are connecting to the server of Data Cloud, and we are, as you can see, this is like the Salesforce instance and the server, but I've added my instance URL, Sky Solution My Salesforce. Okay, I save that, and here I should be able to have the header of my Data Cloud, because the idea is to get a Data Cloud token access. So I click on send, and here, as you can see, I have like the header of the solution. So now what I need to do is to have also like an access to the body to access. So what I will do is I will update the subject token with that, and I will also check if the subject token type is the same. It seems to be the same. So I will click on save, and then I will send again. Okay, so I did it one first round to get the header information, and then from what I understand, like Data Cloud understand that we will request the body. So we send a request to the header. Data Cloud will return the secured token, and then we resend a request to get the full access token that you can find here. And this will allow us to access the Data Cloud API and to properly query everything we need to know within Data Cloud. And that's maybe like our next video. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, please let me know, and thank you.